It's so cold evening here in Lafarge. Hi everyone. It's Valentine's here. So we came here to see these lights from Vancouver to Coquitlam. It's so beautiful. All the lights. Ang lapad. Frozen ang lake. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Ang ganda.
Daddy, it's really high.
Let's go in here. Amazing. Ang ganda. Ang daming lights. Patapos na rin. Lapit na ito nila. Kukunin patapos na rin. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Ang daming tao. 9 PM in the evening. Ang ganda. Diyan. Ang ganda kasi accessible sa frame. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Here in Lafarge.